Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mathematics by Fanan. Today let us see the 7th question of exercise 10.2. Two concentric circles are of radii 5 cm and 3 cm. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. Let this be the larger circle and the inner circle be the smaller circle of radius 5 cm and 3 cm respectively. Let AB be the chord of the circle, that is outer circle, and such that it touches the circle which is inside at the point D. Now this implies that AD becomes the tangent of the inner circle and it's the chord of the bigger circle. That is, OD is perpendicular to AB because of theorem 10.1. That is, radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. This also implies that AD is equal to BD because perpendicular from the center to the chord bisects the chord. Perpendicular from the center to the chord bisects the chord. Now, in triangle ODB, using Pythagoras theorem, that is, hypotenuse square is equal to height square plus base square, we can write OB square is equal to OD square plus BD square, which gives us 5 square is equal to 3 square plus BD square, which can be written as BD square is equal to 25 minus 9, which is equal to 16. Taking square root, we get BD is equal to root of 16, that is 4 cm. Now the length of chord is AB. We know that AB is AD plus BD. We also know that AD is equal to BD since the perpendicular from center to the chord bisects the chord. So 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 cm. Therefore the length of the chord is 8 cm. Thank you. Happy learning.